I have a challenge for you. I'm going to solve these 3 multiplication problems before most people can type them into a calculator. Let's start with 94 times 106. Both numbers are close to 100, so our magic base is 100. 94 is 6 below 100, so I write negative 6. 166 above 100, so I write positive 6. My cross add 94 plus 6 equals 100, or 106 minus 6 also equals 100. So the first part of my answer is 100. Now, I multiply the little numbers. Negative 6 times positive 6 equals negative 36. Because one number is below the base and the other is above the base, I subtract. 100 times 100 equals 10,000. 10,000 minus 36 equals 9,964. So, 94 times 106 equals 9,964. Okay, now let's make it harder. 95 times 108. 95 is 5 below 100, so I write negative 5. 108 is 8 above 100, so I write positive 8. Wait a minute, the distances aren't the same anymore. You think the trick still works? Let's find out. Cross add 95 plus 8 equals 103. 108 minus 5 also equals 103. So the first part is 103. Now multiply the little numbers. Negative 5 times positive 8 equals negative 40. 103 times 100 equals 10,300. 10,300 minus 40 equals 10,260. So 95 times 108 equals 10,260. Wow, even at an equal distances still work. Now, for my favorite one, 48 times 52. These numbers aren't close to 100, so our magic base isn't 100 anymore. Our magic base is 50. 48 is 2 below 50, so I write negative 2. 52 is 2 above 50, so I write positive 2. Cross add. 48 plus 2 equals 50, or 52 minus 2 also equals 50. And the first part is 50. Now multiply the little numbers. Negative 2 times 2 equals negative 4. 50 times 50 equals 2,500. 2,500 minus 4 is 2,496. So 48 times 52 equals 2,496. By the way, this trick is called the base multiplication method. It's called base because we pick a friendly number like 10, 50, 100, 1,000 and use that number as our starting point. We then see how far each number is from that base, do with the cross add, and multiply the little differences. Sounds like magic, but it's actually math. And if this trick made your brain go wow, please hit like, share with this with a friend, and follow Mathasaurus Rex for more secret math tricks. Remember, every big math problem is just a tiny dino bite. Keep your brain rolling with math.